Hello, good morning student. My name is Jyoti and you are watching Math 5 channel. Today's topic is projectile motion. First of all, what is projectile motion? If a body thrown in upward direction with some angle, then it follow a path which is which is known as trajectory, and this motion is known as projectile motion. सपोज एग्जाम्पल जैसे आप बॉल को फेंकते हो तो बॉल जो है वो कुछ इंक्लाइनेशन होके अपवर्ड जाता है, फिर डाउनवर्ड आता है, बिल्कुल 90 डिग्री पे नहीं होता है, वो इंक्लाइंड होता है. तो इंक्लाइनेशन के साथ इफ ए बॉडी प्रोजेक्टेड अपवर्ड in the space under the action of gravity, only the force acting acceleration due to gravity, then it is known as, and then the path followed by the projectile, that is known as the projectile motion. प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन में मैंने बोला कि only acceleration g, acceleration due to gravity is working. It means other force is not working in this motion. No, other force is also working in this motion, but that force is negligible as compared to the gravitational force. Air resistance, if we throw a stone or a particle in upward direction, it flow in the space and there is a air, and air resistance is also, so the that force is also working, but that force is negligible to compare to the acceleration due to gravity or force, gravitational force, right? If we throw an object, it means it makes some angle and that angle may be theta. Let us consider, ये सारी चीजें आप लिख लोगे, मैं लिख नहीं रही हूं क्या, कि let us consider a body thrown in the space at in it follow the projectile path, and the initial value, that is u, that is initial value, initial velocity, that is u, and angle कितना बना रहा है ये with the horizontal space, that angle is theta, initial velocity u, and final velocity at the highest, point. Final velocity at the highest point that is 0. तो इस पॉइंट पे आके v is equal to 0 हो जाएगा, and it start fall down and finally अर्थ के सरफेस पे आ जाएगा. सपोज एट द मैक्सिमम हाइट पर जाने में दैट इज t टाइम एंड इट इज ऑल्सो टी. वाई? जितना अपवर्ड जाने में उतना ही डाउनवर्ड आने में होता है. तो टोटल टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट is equal to t, and that is equal to 2t, and range, maximum range, यहाँ मैं ये लिख देती हूँ, maximum range that is r. ये सारे कंसिडरेशन मैंने लिए. We are going to derive the maximum height, range and time. If the velocity is u and it is making the angle theta with the horizontal axis, it means there must be two components. One component that is u cos theta and one component u sin theta. I have explained in the previous classes कि horizontal x axis के along cos theta component होता है and y axis के along sin theta होता है. तो u cos theta and u sin theta along this direction. So the first derivation, that is total time of flight, total time of flight. this is the first derivation, that is t. At this point, and v is equal to the first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u minus gt, because stone is thrown in upward direction, so minus must be there. The final velocity at this point, that is 0, and along y-axis the component of the velocity, that is u sin theta. Is it clear? u sin theta को थोड़ा सा अलग करके लिख दूं, u sin theta माइनस जी टी, और जी टी इज इक्वल टू u sin theta और t इज इक्वल टू u sin theta by g. This time, that is half, so total time t is equal to 2 into t, and that is 2u sin theta by g. This is the first derivation, and this derivation is very important for class 11th classes. So watch carefully. Is that clear? Now we will go to the we will derive the another derivation, right? Erase कर रही हूँ मैं. तो second जो term है, that is maximum height. At this maximum height, suppose this is as h max. h max, तो h max पे फॉर्मूला क्या लगा सकते हैं? v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर माइनस 2gh. v स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर माइनस 2gh. ये मैक्सिमम होगा यहीं पर 0. At this point, v is equal to 0, and u along the y-axis, that must be u sin theta. We are taking along the y-axis because it goes upward direction. So the vertical component, that is u sin theta, and the square of u sin theta minus 2gh, or 2gh is equal to u square sin square theta, or h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g. This is second derivation. Third derivation, that is the h max, derivation of h max. यहाँ maximum लिख दो. The third derivation, that is range. Range, this is the range, total range. Range is equal to, we will take the horizontal component of this velocity. The horizontal component of this velocity, that is u cos theta, right? तो s is equal to vt होता है, फॉर्मूला ये है. तो v की जगह पे लिखेंगे u cos theta, and time, that is total time of flight, it means capital T, और r is equal to u cos theta, और टोटल टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट का पीछे देखो जाके क्या है, u स्क्वायर साइन थीटा, मुझे तो u साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाय u साइन थीटा, u साइन 2u साइन थीटा बाय जी. आई थिंक ये है. तो अब मैं क्या करूंगी कि u स्क्वायर लिख दूं और ब्रैकेट में लिख दूं 2 साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा बाय जी, एंड r इज इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर साइन 2 थीटा बाय जी. दिस इज द अनदर डेरिवेशन. क्यों मैंने ये लिखा? ट्रिगोनोमेट्री में होता है 2 साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन 2 थीटा. This is the derivation, and this derivation is very important. Watch continuously my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you.